Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today is another collaboration. I've been nicely gifted with another designer handbag, but obviously a lovely dupe, so I'm going to give you the info about that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I was kindly contacted by a company called Startree. I will leave all their details in the description below. They are a company that produces very high quality dupe designer handbags. They have so many on the website. I actually struggled to actually choose another bag because there's so many to choose from, and they are such good quality, and to be honest you cannot really tell the difference between the real thing and one of theirs. So we're going to do an unboxing today. So I decided to pick a particular handbag and I'm going to share it with you today. Let's see if you can guess what it is. So without showing you the picture, I'm just about to show you the box, if you can see there. So it comes in this beautiful box with the magnetic front, which I believe is very much like the original if you were to buy this as a real product. Inside we've obviously got the bag itself, which I don't want to I'm secretly not showing you at the minute. I haven't actually undone this at all, so I've only just opened it. So inside the box, again, you can keep it in the box to keep it like dust free and everything, but it does come with a dust bag. So as per all kind of like dupes, you kind of get a bit of a sort of a receipt sort of thing, and some sort of like pretend authenticity, I would think, some sort of stamp and sort of receipt and stuff like that in there, as well as like an invoice that's all been stamped and everything. In there as well we have the Startree business card there. This is the company where we're getting the bags from, and all the other bags that are in the collection. Do have a look because they have so many to choose from. They've got every designer that you could possibly think of, which is really good. So yeah, sorry about the noise, my kitten is making such a terrible noise. One second. Yeah, so in the box as well we do have Startree's business card there. That is the website that you're going to go to. I'll leave it linked below as well, but this is the people that are doing this wonderful bag, and lots of other bags that look so good, but they're the people. There's the WhatsApp stuff on there. They're actually on Instagram as well. I'll leave all this info in the description, and you can check that out as well. So it just says thank you for your purchase, so I got that as well. Right, let's get into the good stuff. So obviously it is the Gucci, typical Gucci bag that everybody loves. So yeah, that is the outside. It comes in this lovely sort of dust bag, and then obviously it is the traditional with the two big G's on the front. It is the slightly bigger bag as well. They do kind of like a smaller version of it that I think my niece has got. I think I got it from DHgate, but I remember getting these for all of us actually. There were me and my niece, and I got one, but I got one of the slightly cheaper ones. Not from, it was from DHgate at the time, but mine wasn't as good. I remember that I remember it because I've still got it on my shelf up there, but I always remember I don't really use it because mine just wasn't as nice. So I wanted to replace it, and I knew the quality from Startree was going to be amazing. It smells so good as well. It feels so good. The leather feels lovely. Again, everything is sort of covered in protective film, and inside's obviously got the traditional sort of clasp underneath there, and it has the little heart shape on the back, which is obviously typical of this style of bag. So inside as well, pushing the little clasp, you have the chain strap, which you can, as you know, if you're used to this kind of bag, you can have it long or you can have it short. You can double it over and have it a shorter style. I kind of like using it as a long style. It's got a little airbag in there so that it's not squashed in transit. And then inside as well, you have got the little pocket in there as well, typical, and it's also got the Gucci on the inside there too, as well, and it feels like it's got like a very velvety kind of feel on the inside there too. So yeah, I'm going to just peel off, so I'll clip it back. So I'm just going to peel off the film on the two G's just to see the quality of those. Let me just get that off. There we go. That is the bag. looks amazing. So yeah, really happy with that. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving all the details in the description below, so I'm really looking forward to using the new one. So I want to thank Startree for gifting this bag to me. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy using it very shortly. I've been kind of holding off because I wanted to do the video first. So let's just have a quick look at the chain. So obviously it does come with the protective plastic over that as well. I don't have any scissors with me, so I'm gonna have to, it's nice to just try and slice it off. Right, so I managed to get the plastic off the chain. I just wanted to show you the quality of the chain as well. It is quite a heavy sort of chain. It's nice, good hardware there. Like I said, you can have it as doubled up, or if you want it as a sort of crossbody, you can just use it like that and just wear it crossbody. But yeah, it's a versatile handbag and it is quite a good size as well. So yeah, I'll leave all the details in the description if you're interested. Do go check them out. And yeah, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you all in the next one. See you later. Bye.